Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, thank you very much, and thank you guys for watching my last video. I want you guys to please subscribe, like and share this video. So I want to show you how I made this t-shirt. I made it myself, DIY. I'm not a DIY girl. I made this for my son's birthday, and I made it for the whole family. So just continue watching and see how I made this from scratch to this gorgeous looking shirt you're seeing. Under everything is under $10, guys. Under $10.
I got this fabric transfers for light curtains from Amazon for £4.47. Then I got the Shark Family Hire On transfer from Etsy.com for $6.98. It's actually a digital download only, so you just buy it and they send you the download, and it's just gonna come. They send you the real one, then they send you the reverse one, but it's advisable to use the reverse one depending on what you're actually printing on. And after printing it out, I cut it out just to make it fit what I want to put it onto. I ironed the t-shirt for just to make it smooth because I don't want it wrinkly, and um, I want my iron on to fit in on there without being rough or anything like that. So you place it upside down on the t-shirt, and you put your very hot iron on it and just iron it, and you leave it for about 10 minutes before you start peeling it off, and voila, that is the end result. I hope you find this video easy and straightforward enough.
Please keep subscribing and keep sharing so that we'll have more people in this community and meet you. Thank you. Bye.
Please check the description box below for full explanation and everything used in this video. Thank you guys. Catch you later. And thanks to my friend Jumi, Mrs. Faro, for helping me film this video. You're such a sweet girl. Thank you. Mwah.